Canceling a purchase on Fortnite Item Shop is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can cancel a purchase on Fortnite Item Shop. Now, as you know, whenever you buy some skin in Fortnite and suppose you want to cancel it, how can you do that? In order to do that, you simply have to click on your profile, and then you have to click on this setting icon, and then you will see this option. You just simply have to click on support and refunds, and then you have to click on returns or cancel purchase. After that, you will see your items that you can cancel. As you guys can see, I currently don't have any item that is eligible for refund or cancel, just because the item that I bought are older than 30 days. If you want to cancel a purchase or if you want to return an item, make sure it's not older than 30 days. So as you guys can see, it also contains 3 tickets. You can only cancel purchase 3 times, or 3 items you can cancel, and the tickets are available again after the whole year. So make sure to calculate these things before canceling a purchase. Hope you guys find this very helpful.